Hello, Shell families. Welcome to our second virtual Star Student Assembly. We want to make sure we take time to recognize our students for the hard work that they're doing to make good choices and demonstrate outstanding character, no matter the situation. If we could recognize our students in person at an assembly, we would do that. But since that is not possible at this time, we want to recognize our students virtually. We feel it is as important to recognize strong character as it is to recognize academic achievement, as good character is essential to success in life. Our character trait for the month of October was attitude. We were looking for students who demonstrated a positive, I can do it attitude, no matter how difficult things may be. These students were able to do their best, no matter what, and encourage others to do their best as well. You can see many of the behaviors that these students exhibit in our pumpkin word cloud on this screen. These attributes came directly from what their teachers said about them. Our STAR students will receive packets with a copy of their nomination, a certificate, and some other fun surprises. We will mail the packets to our virtual students. Our students will have their pictures put up on our STAR student bulletin board. We ask our virtual STAR students to email a picture to their teacher. Now, let's find out who this month's STAR students are. Our first STAR student is from Mrs. Cook's third grade classroom. Great outlook on the virtual learning environment. Respects teacher and uses kind words. Effort is always 100%. Acts out of kindness naturally. Team player and very encouraging. Always willing to do her best. Treats others like they matter. Turns a bad situation into a good one by setting goals and obtaining them. Is willing to help others without hesitation. Tries her best on all schoolwork. Undivided attention is given when spoken to. Does what's right even when no one is watching. Energy level on this year's learning situation is extraordinary. Congratulations to Echo Berlin. Our next STAR student is from Miss Kennedy's third grade classroom. This student has a great attitude about school. She completes her work on time. She is helpful to her classmates and me. She comes to school each day with an attitude of, what am I going to learn today? I love that she loves school. Congratulations to Amelia Chase. Our next STAR student is from Mrs. Martin's third grade classroom. Attitude can make a huge difference on how our day unfolds. In our virtual Google Classroom, there can be additional links to learning websites or tiny text boxes to complete assignments. This could be confusing and frustrating for some students, but this student has taken on these new experiences with the best attitude. He has been dedicated and determined in completing his work on time. He is always helpful and respectful during Google Meets with his classrooms. Thank you and congratulations to Dontavius Rickard. Our next STAR student is from Mrs. Wallace's third grade class. This young lady has one of the most positive, outgoing attitudes in my class. She is always eager to learn, participating in all subjects, even the challenging ones, and encouraging others. She cares about her classmates, helping out when she can, and displays a bubbly personality with everyone in class. Thank you for being such a great role model with a positive attitude. Congratulations to Kylie Sitko. Our final third grade STAR student is from Mrs. Warden's third grade classroom. This student's attitude is contagious. Her positivity lights up the classroom when she walks in. She doesn't complain about homework or assignments. She completes them with a positive attitude. She radiates positivity. Her quiet yet helpful self is a pleasure this year. I am nominating as my STAR student for the month, Michaela Ellenbaum. Keep being amazing. Our next STAR student is from Mr. Ball's fourth grade classroom. Our STAR student this month is having a great start to her school year. She works hard and maintains a great attitude the entire time. When a task is difficult, she doesn't get upset or want to give up. She just keeps working, stays positive, and does her best to get the job done. She follows expectations throughout the building and can be counted on to do what's right even when no one is watching. Maintaining her positive attitude is going to be one of the factors that contribute to her success this school year. I am proud of the effort she has put forth so far, and I anticipate great things out of her the rest of the year. Congratulations to Aubrey Coker. Our next STAR student is from Mrs. Bush's fourth grade classroom. Room 110 STAR student for the month of October has a positive attitude. She comes to school with a smile on her face and uses her manners on a daily basis. She participates multiple times during class discussion and isn't afraid to ask a question. She works hard on her tasks, and if she didn't do well on her assignments, she'll ask to redo it to get a better score. She sends me multiple emails or messages that are either asking about her work she's supposed to do or just daily greetings when she sees the green bubble go live. Your positive attitude and great work ethic are a great example for our classroom. Keep up the good work. You've got what it takes to be known as a star student at Shell Elementary. Congratulations to Lillian Ackley. Our next star student is from Ms. Forbing's fourth grade classroom. Your attitude determines your direction, and this student is headed in the right direction. This young man is always willing to participate in class. He comes to school ready to learn with his work complete. He works very hard and is on task in the classroom. He also works very hard virtual learning days. He is excited to share information about what he knows with his teacher and his classmates. I am sure he is sitting behind his mask. He is smiling behind his mask, and I know he will continue to be a great example for others. Keep it up, kiddo. I am proud of you. Congratulations to Grayson Heckroth. Our next star student is from Mrs. K's fourth grade classroom. This student has the best attitude. She tackles each assignment without complaint and gives it her best effort. She works really hard and is happy to get feedback on how to improve. We are so lucky to have her in our classroom this year. You are a superstar. Congratulations to Isabella Bennett. Our next star student is from Ms. Kuntz's fourth grade classroom. The greatest discovery of any generation is that a human being can alter his life by altering his attitude, a quote by William James. It is not always easy to have a positive attitude, especially with the way things currently are. Everyone has their bad days and things that just don't go their way. I am nominating this person because even in the middle of those bad days, they are trying to be as positive as they can. Whenever I see them in a meet, they have a great big smile for me and ask how I'm doing. When something is difficult to understand, I can count on this person to ask questions and try harder. They even roped their family into doing an extra credit video project with them that showed their smile and a lot of laughs. I am very impressed with their pick themselves up and keep moving forward attitude. Congratulations, and I am so proud of you. Great job too, Vanessa Osborne. Our next star student is from Mrs. Burns' fifth grade class. The student that I am nominating for star student is a great example of someone with a great attitude. He never complains about homework or anything else that I ask him to do. He tries to do his best in all things and always with a smile on his face. His positive can-do attitude will take him a long way in all that he does. Congratulations to Landon Monti. Our next star student is from Mrs. Gill's fifth grade classroom. The only difference between a good day and a bad day is your attitude. Our star student definitely has more good days than bad. Every day, every task is approached with a positive attitude and smiling eyes. I don't think I ever heard a complaint from her. Other adults have commented on her attitude as well, saying she is very nice and friendly to those around her. She is such a polite young lady. Someone once said, the way we perceive reflects who we are, and our positive attitude is the ladder to our success. This young lady's ladder will reach the stars. Congratulations to Alexis Waterman. Your positive attitude is noticed and appreciated every day. Our next star student is from Ms. Nichols' fifth grade classroom. My star student nomination this month goes to a student who consistently expresses a good attitude. When it comes to schoolwork, I don't hear complaining. The student just sits down and gets it done. When I assign partners in class or put her with a group, she is always willing to work with others and tries hard to do her part. I also appreciate the student's attitude when it comes to tackling difficult tasks. She asks for help when she is confused or needs assistance and keeps working hard even if she doesn't fully understand something. I love that she is not afraid to ask for help more than once about the same assignment. Therefore, due to the many ways the student shows a positive attitude, I am nominating as our star student for room 208, Isabella Putnam. Our next star student is from Ms. Schauger's fifth grade classroom. A positive attitude may not solve every problem, but it makes solving any problem a more pleasant experience. A quote from Grant Fairley. The student I have nominated for October Star Student always has a positive attitude during our Google Meets. He always has a smile and a good thought about the day's work. When I told him we had a problem with the recording, he just smiled and tried again. He doesn't give up when things don't go his way. He starts again the next day and does what has to be done. For these reasons and more, I am proud to nominate as our star student for the month of October, Jeffrey Harmon. Thanks for the great attitude and keep it up. And our final star student for this month is from Mrs. Torma's fifth grade classroom. Virtual learning is not an easy adjustment, but this student has shown a good attitude since the beginning of the school year. He joins most Google Meets and is very polite to not only me, but to his classmates. When his internet signal has caused audio issues, he hasn't got upset, but adjusted by using the chat feature. The few times he has missed assignments, he has been apologetic and immediately works on getting the assignments completed. All of these reasons are why I am nominating as our star student, Aiden Blackwell. Congratulations to all of our star students. Thank you for your hard work and your great attitude. We would also like to recognize our classroom superstars who were nominated by the specials teachers as demonstrating outstanding character in all of their special classes throughout the month of October. October's classroom superstars are the students from Mrs. Warden's third grade class. They will have a poster to put up outside of their classroom recognizing them as October's classroom superstars. Great job to all of our star students. Our November character trait is pride. We will be looking for students who demonstrate pride in all that they do. They will demonstrate pride in their work by doing their best and completing their work on time. They will demonstrate pride in themselves by making good choices. They will demonstrate pride in their school by following the expectations and helping others. We will be looking for students who go above and beyond in demonstrating pride in the month of November. I can't wait to find out who November's star students are. Thank you all for your hard work and great attitudes. Have a great week.